To install Remote Examination Care app, go to care.remotemedic.com and tap on iOS app button. This will open the link in new tab. In the new tab, on the top of the screen you can see Test Flight option. Now Test Flight app is also required to use Remote Examination Care app. So if you don't have it, you first need to install it. This will take some time. And after the installation of the Test Flight app, you can open the Test Flight app. If you have already installed Test Flight app, you will see open button automatically. Now open the Test Flight app. Allow the notification permission. Continue. And now you will see the Telecare Connect app. Accept the app and then tap on install. It will take some time to download the app. After some time the download will be completed. Now you can open the app, tap on open button. This will open the app. Allow all these permission to app since the functionality of the app requires these permission. Tap on next button, start testing, and now you can log in into Remote Examination Care app using your credentials. If you open your TestFlight app and you see this redeem screen instead of Telecare Connect app or Remote Examination Care app, first of all you need to close your TestFlight app, open Safari browser and open a brand new tab. In new tab, type in the URL care@remotemedtech.com. At login screen, you can see download iOS app button. Tap on it. On top of the web page, you can see open test flight. Open the test flight. Now in test flight, you can see the option to download Telecare Connect app. Accept the app and then download the app. In this way, you can download your app.